It's been raining so fucking badly. I'm currently staying at my sister's hostel because that's the best and the cheapest way around. Because she lives in Juhu, so it's rent free for me. Anyways, this is what I was wearing to the airport. I got out of the plane today and I felt like I'm looking like Geet, you know? When she was running behind Aditya, that's what I look like. By the way, I got a new coffee because I was really thirsty and I cannot function and get ready. I have yet to tell you why we are here. Coffee is so good. Also, my dark circles are really bad because I literally slept at 4, woke up at 4:30, took a shower, got changed, packed my bags, left for the airport. I slept like a beast on a 40 minutes plane ride. So let's do my makeup because I don't think so I've told you guys why I'm here for. No, for some fucking reason my makeup is not working. Anyways, this is the outfit. I'll insert a photo just in case. It's very chic, it's from Mango, it's really cute. Now getting to the point. Actually, the auntie came and like, I'm here in Mumbai for an event of Meta where Ananya Pandey is coming. I know, I'm so fucking excited for it. But anyways, I'm getting super late. Also, I've not taken a shit. TMI, I've not taken a shit. And I'm chugging my coffee like anything because I paid 300 rupees for it. But I'm like, look how cute they are. Amazing body lotion. I think I miscalculated everything today because I think my bowel movements are just bizarre. So the first thing I go into BKC, I'm gonna be saying, so where's your washroom? And that's so embarrassing. Like, you go to Meta and you say, by the way, it looks slay. Everything just worked out thanks to Anirudh because he picked this dress. He is one of the best fashionistas that I know in men, and the guy's coming up with a brand, so I'm so excited for it. I think I'm the first person who's talking about it online. He's not. Anyways, this is what I look like. It's such a slave. Plus my tummy hurts. I think I'm gonna lose like about a pound of weight. A pound is too much. Like couple after I'll go. Anyways, I'm so excited to meet Ananya Pandey for the first time. My brother's like, can you video call me? So I know how she looks like. Look at her skin. And I'm like, obviously she's fair. She's gonna look gorgeous. She's an actress at the end of the day. But it's like, no, call me. If you see any influencers, call me. I'm like, Arjun, your sister's an influencer. Just deal with it. But hopefully, Aneri was so excited. Aneri and I probably are going for fine dine because I don't have any other friends in Mumbai. I do have friends in Mumbai, but they live near like Borivali. It's too far for me. I am right now in Juhu and I'm loving it. Tomorrow at 5 a.m. I'm supposed to leave from here, so it's gonna be a complete what I do in 24 hours in Mumbai kind of a vlog, and I just love it. I love it. Also, I low-key think that the driver's judging me. But that's okay. I had third wave coffee. That was nice. That was fine. That was delicious. So. Also, I want to go to Prithvi Theatre. It's nearby. So, I'll go there. Probably like late night session. I don't plan to sleep today. So, I'll be sleep deprived for almost 25 hours. But that's okay. That's something I signed up for because as soon as I go back home, I'm gonna sleep the entire night. And it was my fault. I was watching Good Doctor. I'm hooked at the second season. So I get it why I was late. Also, I'm a yappo. That's why I yap. Are you excited? I'm excited. That's why I'm yapping. इधर अमिताभ बच्चन का घर भी है ना? वो जो मटकी फोड़ होता है वो आज है? तो आज शाम को तो बहुत ट्रैफिक होएगा ना? Made it. I did not anticipate how big the BKC is gonna be. So I just told the guy, oh, one BKC. He didn't know where one BKC was. There's so many buildings. Now I'm finally here. I was supposed to come here at 12:30, now it's 12:40, but that's okay. Like, come on. Ooh, I look so fucking sexy right now.
Director Colin put it, it's actually an underdog story because no one expects her to do it, you know, because she's always lived in this bubble. Everything was done for her throughout her life, and then she really has to come for it and find her love and find her passion. And it's basically a rich.
Every time like there is tragic wind, I just feel like God is giving me a blow dry. So you embrace this motherfucker, okay? You get it? Also, we just got done with the event. Ananya was extremely sweet. She's gorgeous. She looked like a doll, but she's way muscular than I thought she would be. Anyways, right now I'm going to Jio World Center because I've never been there. Now that I'm in BKC, let's go. Also, if the audio is crappy, can't do anything. Mumbai weather is disaster. Also, I made a friend. I'm really happy. Also, a lot of people told me my outfit was slay. Nobody in person told me my outfit was slay. But a lot of people on the internet told me because I posted this photo and I looked slay. Also, did I mention they gave us a lot of gifts? So now I have fake Stanley, 2 totes, 2 water bottles and 1 bucket hat. I don't even wear bucket hat. We're trying out some Onitsuka sneakers. Option 1. 2 and 3. That's it. This is the vodka pasta because Gigi Hadid likes it. I have to try it. It's really good, and this is the reason I don't do fine dining. It's so good. What the fuck? What the fuck? Dyson who? Anyways, we're going to Bandstand, you guys. It's gonna be so much more fun. I've been talking to a few influencers who live here, and they're like, you just came for one day. I was like, yeah. They're like, no, you gotta spend a lot more days. And I was like, no, next time, maybe we'll move here. If this trip gets about 2,000 likes, I will move to Mumbai. I say this with 100% dignity. I will move to Mumbai if this video gets about 2,000 likes. That's it. Share, like, comment, do whatever you guys have to do just to make our dreams happen. Okay, that's Mannat. And that's the sea. This feels awful. I feel like I'm dying. Okay, I just saw the bandstand. This is the bandstand. There's nothing to see, basically a sea. And attraction are the Khan houses. भैया सैफ अली खान किधर रहता है? जुहू यही रहता है सैफ अली खान? करीना सैफ ना सारा। हाँ ये आपने शाहरुख देखे? हाँ शाहरुख देखा। अर्जुन रामपाल, बिपाशा, टाइगर जॉन? नहीं वो नहीं देखा। क्या बात कर रहे हैं? नहीं सिर्फ शाहरुख का पता था मेरे को। चलो मैं सबके दिखाता हूँ। ठीक है। So we are going on a hunt now, and after that we are going shopping because I have nothing to do. Arjun और Bipasha. Yeah, Arjun Rampal. This is where Bipasha Basu used to live when she was dating John Abraham. Now Arjun Rampal lives. अच्छा बाजू घर है? हाँ जावेद अख्तर रेखा. Oh, this is Rekha ji. This is Javed Akhtar. Oh, nice. Wow, that's John Abraham. Okay, currently I'm at the Bhandra Hill Road, but I'm not vlogging as much because I'm really scared somebody's gonna snatch my phone. But I've vlogged all the details and I've already dropped more than 2k. I can see some cute bells. Bhaiya kitne ka hai? The belt guy kept saying like 1200. I paid not more than 550, bro. The auto just passed. He probably was dropping his passengers. I just fucking freaked out. But anyways, good shop. Also, it was right in front of Marks and Spencer's. Just letting you guys know. The sun has gone down and officially I've not slept in 25 hours. But am I about to make it almost 30? Yes, not guilty of it. By the way, the shopping silly. I bought so much good jewelry, so much everything. I did not go for like clothes, even though I did get a mini skirt because let's be honest, I'm a hoe for it. But other than that, I did not buy like clothes because last time I did get a few things and they were disappointing. Nor did I went for shoes because you know what happened with the black ones. I just wore them like 3 times. Everything fell apart. Right now I'm going to Khushi's place back again because I have again some bowel movements. See, this is what happens if I don't get a good night's sleep. And we are gonna get dressed and go to some place that she wants to have food at. I'm also gonna go pack my bag. We went to Bougie Cafe, which was Aneri's choice.
It was not my choice. Stop
Okay,
lying.
basically it was
her choice, and she's lying. And it didn't turn out to be the bougie cafe which she expected it to be.
basically it was not even my choice because I'm not a Mumbaikar, someone else is. But so I asked my followers, a lot of them said Bougie Cafe, Gigi's and Veronica's. Veronica's have been. Gigi, I was not sure we'll get a reservation. So while coming to Bougie Cafe, we saw
There was sandwiches and all. Like,
no, there was Bastion, obviously.
yeah, there was Bastion.
So now we are going to Bastion.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Like Akshita, she has done that big sister thing today. After 18 years of existence, she has finally.
Bitch, you're telling me I've never taken you out or what? Not in Mumbai, but I've taken you out multiple times.
Where? Which
You-
area were you taking out?
Did you forget our cheesecake nights or what?
Yeah. But I feel like Arjun was a part of it too. This is like just the two of us.
Yeah, so we are gonna
Arjun was
gossip.
used to third wheel us. Yeah.
I look so hot today. No, it's okay. I'm taking it. Thank you. This is very creamy. What? Ananya Pandey. Very creamy and very nice.
Be rich in taste.
Better be.
It should be.
मी पुण्याला गेलेली they did not even ask me for ID.
आता माहिती इकडे काय विचारतात.
But Pune is more trouble.
Like some in Mumbai, they're asking this because of that Range Rover वाला thing. Range Rover कौन सी गाड़ी?
Porsche.
हाँ, Porsche.
That happened in Pune, babes.
Exactly. So त्याच्यामुळे सगळे ID वायडी मागायला.
I really wanted to have like a coffee or something like that, but I already spent like too much at Bastion. So also this you can get at 20 rupees, here it's 70. I used to be one of those girls who think that not taking a shower right before your flight is a disgrace to people who are on my flight, but I did not take a shower today. Why? It's fucking 4 p.m. POV, if you need a little extra space in your legs, just ask for the emergency seat. That's what I've done. Worked out fine. Didn't pay anything.
कृपया विमान कर्मचारी से संपर्क करें अपनी रसीद